All right. Well, welcome back to the iWealth podcast. Today we were talking about the food drive, and it's coming up here real quick. Fill us in a little bit, Brad.
It's crazy. Here we are in October, and November is when this thing starts. It's like November 1st. So
you're in the final push.
We are. Well, we're just getting rolling. There's some things out. But anyway, this is our 12th annual food drive, and the way this all came about was in Waseca. I believe it's the Lions Club served Thanksgiving dinner to people in need.
Yep.
And as we looked around the community, Trudy and I looked around the community, it's like, well, what's going on for Christmas? Is there anything going on? And of course, it's called the Holiday Food Drive, but there was nothing happening. And so 12 years ago now, we started this. And what we did is we have the iWealth Foundation, so 1% of our net revenues go into the foundation. And Trudy and I put money in there, and we do a $3,000 match for community donations that are giving. And so what we've done now, we've kind of got this perfected a little bit. There is a process involved. Michelle helps a lot with it. But we work with the Waseca Area Neighborhood Service Center.
Yep.
And they collect applications just like they do for Thanksgiving of people in need. They have to qualify for it. And then we supply Christmas dinner. So, the weekend before Christmas, they'll drive around the Neighborhood Service Center and they'll get a ham or turkey and all the fixings with it and a gallon of milk and that kind of thing. So it's really, really cool. Sean in the office coordinates the Boy Scouts.
Okay.
And they do the giving out on that Saturday morning. What's really neat is Friday prior to that, we work with Waseca schools, and they bring one of their classes in. These are juniors and seniors. And they get to come in and help pack all these bags. And so it's like this whole
assembly line.
Yeah, it really is. In the first year, we didn't have it, and it took us forever. Now we get it done in like 40 minutes. These kids are just amazing. But what's neat is I get to sit down with these kids afterwards, and we share a little treat and get to talk to them about how they're making an impact on their city and their community by helping get these bags ready for them to pick up tomorrow, which is really, really, really neat. So last year we had $5,500 in community donations.
Sure.
So we solicit to iWealth clients. We send them a letter and say, hey, if you want to be part of this and help, send a check to the Neighborhood Service Center, not to us. And then we do our $3,000 match. So last year we had $8,500 that went to take care of this. Well, $8,500 was more than enough that we needed. And what's really neat is anything left over. So first and foremost is Christmas dinner. That's why this was started.
Okay.
But anything left over, they have this backpack program. And so these kids that qualify for free and reduced lunch in sixth grade on down, they get a backpack on Friday that has food in it to take home for Saturday and Sunday. And then they bring it back and refill it. Well, the leftover money that we have after Christmas dinner supplies about 10% of the cost for the whole year of that program, which is really, really cool. So not only are we supplying Christmas dinner, which is really important, why we started this.
You're also supplementing some of the backpack program, or at least a good chunk of it.
It's neat. And it's all local. It all goes there. There's no fees associated with it. It's going to work for these people right away. And it's just really cool. So anyway, if you'd like to get involved and like to give, you need to write that check out to Waseca Area Neighborhood Service Center. The match will be there from Trudy and I. And we're just looking forward to having another successful year.
If somebody wants to be involved with it right away, can they just call your office and then stop down and have a conversation with you if they want more information about this? Is that an okay thing?
Yeah, everybody's on board. Everybody knows about it at iWealth. So yeah, it's a group effort, so they certainly can do that. If they want to get involved in packing or distributing this stuff with the Boy Scouts, they certainly can help with that stuff too. It's a community event, and just super proud that all of a sudden 12 years later we wake up and we've been, we probably have given $100,000 at this thing over time, and it's just really, really cool.
Well, that's very cool. Well, thank you so much for telling us a little bit about the backpack. And you said the 12th year?
12th year.
12th year.
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. Because I think I've been around it for at least 6, maybe even more. But anyway, all right, we'll see you back here next time.
All right. Thanks, Matt.